Hi, I am Amlie, working as a software engineer at Office Solutions. A polar scatter plot is a graphical representation where data points are plotted on a circular grid using polar coordinates. Each point is defined by an angle, theta, and a distance, r, from the center. This type of plot is useful for visualizing data that have a natural circular structure, such as wind directions and speeds, celestial coordinates, or cyclic phenomena. The angle represents the direction, and the radial distance represents the magnitude of the data point. This chart is fully dynamic in size. Let's add license key to remove the logo. We can simply change the color of dots, as well as the concentric circles color, or if you want, you can also change the size of the dots. Let's move on to the drop-down features. This is the top N feature, means if you want to see the top dots, according to the radius value, you can simply get using this drop-down. Let's write 2 and we would get top 2 radius here. We can simply change the chart into polar line chart or polar area chart using the drop-down. Here is the polar area chart for the corresponding data. Let's do some changes with the data. For this, add speed to angle and theta to value. You can see the changes according to the data for the chart. Hope this may help you to visualize your data. Thank you.